How to change search engine to Google. So if you're using Chrome browser on your Android or on your iPhone and you want to change your default search engine to google.com so that each time you search for any information on the browser, it's going to use Google as the default search engine on your browser. Then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do, we want to change search engine to Google on your Chrome browser on Android or iPhone. All you just need to do is go ahead and open the Chrome browser. Once you open the Chrome browser on your iPhone, click on the three dots at the bottom right. On Android, just need to click on the menu icon at the top right here. So just go ahead and click on the menu on Android or on iPhone. Then click on settings. Once you're on the settings page, you see default browser. Under default browser, locate search engine and then click on it. Now, once you selected search engine, you're gonna see all search engines you have on your Chrome browser. So here, I have about 5 different search engines. Now, if your default search engine is set to yahoo.com, like this, or whatever you search on Chrome browser is gonna search through yahoo.com. Then you start a new page. On the new page, you're gonna see an indication that you are using Yahoo as your default browser here, and whatever you search for here is going to be searched through yahoo.com. Now, to set Google as the default, repeat the same thing on the settings page and make sure you select Google as your search engine. Once you selected that, go ahead and click on done. And then whatever you search for here, it's going to use Google as their default search engine. You see that? So that is basically how to change search engine to Google on Chrome, on Android as well as on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.